Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to create a transparent background giving your images a professional and versatile look. Let's start! To create a transparent background, open your image in Photoshop. You can do this by going to File and then Open, or simply dragging and dropping the image into the Photoshop workspace. So the next step is to select the Magic Wand tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Click on the background area you want to make transparent. The magic wand will select the pixels with similar colors. And then all you have to do now is to press Delete key on your keyboard. Then the selected background pixels will disappear, leaving a transparent background. And that's it! You now know how to create a transparent background in Photoshop. It's a useful skill for various projects such as creating logos, project images, or web graphics. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create a transparent background. Embrace the power of transparency to make your images stand out and blend seamlessly into any design. Happy editing and see you on my next video.